This is going to be a very eye-opening video. So we're looking at what is, in my opinion, one of the easiest passive incomes online. Now, I'm going to show you proof of the concept. I'll show you how simple it is, and we'll break down exactly how this works. Now, here's my guarantee to you. Watch this video till the end and you will be able to set this up today. But not only will you be able to set it up, I'll share with you tools and resources to make this incredibly fast, because normally or traditionally with this method, it puts people off because it can take a lot of time, it's time consuming, and it can be a nightmare. However, we're going to look at the resources, but first, let's dive into it and look at the potential and the opportunity with this method. Okay, let's dive in. So the method I'm going to be sharing with you today is method number 6 from inside of Faceless Freedom. If you're not in here, come and join us. It's absolutely free. We've got 8 different methods of earning online with faceless content. So the one we're going to be looking at today is printables. Now, normally this puts people off because they think it's not worth the time and the effort, it takes too long. But I'm going to show you a few different things here, okay? So you can see on here, I have literally just typed in math practice. I hadn't finished putting the rest of it on. So I'm going to put this on here. Now I can see here, right? 500,000 people a month are searching for math practice. If we break it down even further, so math practice sheets, there's 74,000 people a month searching for that search term. So we now know there is a market for that. There's a demand for it. And with that number, I mean, 74,000 people is crazy. And when we look at what comes up on here, you can see we have got all of these printables. Now, normally people would say, go over to Canva, create a spreadsheet in there, and then start creating these. That's great. The problem is, if you was to create this on Canva, like this, 10 printable worksheets, it'd take you an hour minimum to do something like that. Well, let's take a little look at this person's shop over here, okay? So we can see up here 3 years on Etsy, and they've had 6,800 sales. And if we look at the pricing, we can see £4.80, £2.64, £3, £1, £1.44. And I'll convert this into dollars for you in a second, okay? So if we were to take sort of, let's go with a sort of average of, let's go £2 sort of in the middle, and was to times it by 6,800 sales, this little shop with only 49 items, which are all here, you can see, math worksheets, it's done some numbers, 13.6. So if we were to go over here onto US dollar to pound, you can see I've put it in pound sterling. That means that shop in dollars has done a little over $18,000 from listing 49 math worksheets. Would you say that is worth the time to do that? Absolutely, 100%. So we know over here from the beginning, so math practice worksheets, we know there's a demand just for that search term, by the way. There's many more search terms you can see. So that one there is 74,000. Let's just go with math. Let's try printable. Math printable is 1,300. Math printable worksheets, 6,600. So you can break it down a lot further. And you'll notice when you go into this, they're all very similar, and they're definitely not hard to do this method. So we know that there's a demand, we know the potential with this, and if we was to focus on a platform like Etsy, once you've created your printable and upload it onto here, Etsy then take care of the payment for you. They deliver the PDF to the customer when they buy it. And you can also, by the way, you cannot just sell these math printables over on Etsy. There's a huge demand for this over on Amazon. You can list them on Gumroad, teachers pay teachers, and many more websites, okay? So this is it. Now, I'm going to show you how you can speed this whole process up and knock stuff like this out in less than a minute. You probably won't believe me. You'll think it's nonsense. I'm going to show you. So let's come over here. I'm going to log into my software. And if you want to have a look at this software, I will put a link to it down below for you. I did a full review of this. I'll find it for you. So again, you can see it's this one over here. It's called Sansuu Royalty. I'll put a link to this article below. Go and check it out. I've done a full in-depth review on this, who it's for, what it is, the pricing of it, and absolutely loads more. There's a walkthrough video on there. I'm going to show you a quick example of this and how you can use it to be creating these printables, because it's ridiculous. It really is. So if I come down here and go to Sansuu Royalty, I'm going to click on here, watch, like so. And I'm going to go to Math Worksheets, and I'm going to open it. And the great thing about this is there's no software to download. It's all cloud-based, and it's incredibly straightforward and simple. And as you can see over here, multiple languages available with this. And you might be looking at that thinking, yeah, that looks okay. It's pretty basic. Yeah, that is literally just the starting point. Watch this. So if I scroll down here, I can click on here. Now look at this. All of these are now different worksheets I can do. Multiplication, subtraction, division. So you remember this shop over here? Addition, subtraction, fraction worksheets, and bundles. I can do all of that inside of here. So let's go ahead and do one. So which one should we do? We've got addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Let's just go with subtraction. Okay? Straightforward and simple. What language? We'll go with English. Scroll further down the page. Minimum number and maximum numbers. You can change them as well. Scroll further down the page. And all you've got to do here is, look, decide whether you want it in these different formats. And what I like about it is, as you're doing it, clicking on these little buttons over here, it's changing as you're doing it. It's bloody brilliant. Scroll further down the page. Look, there's loads more options on here. If you want to change the font, the typography, the layouts, I don't. I literally just leave it as it is. You can even change the colours on here. So I'm going to scroll further down the page here. A couple more options down here for you, but we're going to come back up to the top. And we're not just going to create one. We're going to click on bulk. So we're going to go on bulk. And if you remember over here, this person over here, Audrey, is selling what? 20 pages for £2 or 60 pages for 48. Let's come over here and can knock that out in a minute. So there's more templates on here, but let's just come back up here. We'll keep it on addition, easy addition. Scroll further down the page here, past all of this. And we are going to click on, we are looking for, where it is, have I gone past it? I'm going to click on, oh, here we go, look, add to queue. How many pages do we want? Let's go with 30. We want 30 pages, and we're going to get the answers on here. You can also add instructions up here, and you can put in your own copyright, but we're going to go with 30, okay? Then once you've done that, you just scroll down. You see here where it says generate all 30 pages. Watch this. Click. Done. It's crazy, isn't it? Absolutely awesome. Subtraction practice. Scroll down here, 30 pages, all different subtractions on here. Let's keep going down the page so you can see all of this. So there is our pages, and there are all of our answers. Unbelievable. So then I'd just come up here, I'd go export, I'd go to a single PDF, and it's going to export 62 pages. And how long did that take me? Literally minutes. So now, once that's downloaded, I would take that and I would upload it onto Etsy and I would list it for sale. And then if I wanted to do another one, so like in this Audrey's one, she's got addition, subtraction, and fractions. Let's knock out another one really quickly for you. I'm going to come up here and we're going to go back into, let me close this one. Let's go back into it. And we're going to go to, I can't remember what we just did. Did we do subtraction? I can't remember. We're going to click on bulk, so I'll show you the process again. Click on bulk, pick your language, scroll down. What do you want? Addition, etc., etc. So this time, let's go with fractions. Scroll further down the page. Do you want any more stuff on here? So I'm just going to click on 30, add to queue. Scroll further down the page. And there's loads more things you can do with this as well, okay? So click on that there. Scroll. And I'm going to click on generate. The other thing you can do is, like in here as well, like worksheet header, you can show name on here, the name and the date. You can even show the score box on here, like so, if you want to have that. And as you can see, when I'm clicking it, it's changing up here. So click it, watch, changes. So once we're happy with that, I generate all 30 pages. And just like that, I've got 30 pages of fractions. And then guess what? I come up here, I go export, I go download, and it's done. And then I can list that one, and then I could do another one. So you can see here the potential with this software and this method is ridiculous. If you was to sit down for an hour with this, I reckon you'd be getting close on to 40 shop items that you could get listed on Etsy. Straightforward and simple. Or you could take them over to Amazon KDP and list them on there. And if you was putting them on Amazon KDP, over in the software over here, they have got right up, oh, where's it gone? Down here, they have also got, you see on here, free KDP publishing tools. They'll create the front cover for you and absolutely loads more. But I think we can agree, this method that I have shown you today, the potential with it is ridiculous. I mean, if I was Audrey, I would be putting on a hell of a lot more items on here because 49 items and she's generated close to, what, 18.5 grand in 3 years is a nice, simple little passive side income. I think we can agree. So look, if you want to check out this software, I'll put a link to this article down below. Go ahead and have a look at it. If you are in Faceless Freedom, then we go over this all in a lot more depth inside of here. How to set up, loads more different things, setting up your Etsy store, printable softwares, and loads more. As always, any questions, do let me know. But personally, I think this method is bloody brilliant. I'll see you soon.